In this video we're gonna see how to test the coolant temperature sensor from this Mini One. The sensor is located under this cover on the passenger side here. So let's unplug the connector. Engine coolant temperature. And because the sensor is disconnected, it's gonna show minus 40 degrees Celsius. And I want to be able to back probe the connector, so let's take out this protection cover. So for 20 degrees we've got 4.03 volts. Now I'm gonna try to increase the temperature of the sensor. We've got now 22 degrees and the voltage is 3.95. So the sensor is in good condition. And let's do a final test, resistance test. And if you want to replace the sensor, you're gonna need a 12-point deep socket. I think it's a 16 millimeter. I've got one, but it's for spark plugs and it doesn't go all the way in. Okay guys, this was a short one. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.